In this video, you will learn how to read this. A rest is used when you do not want any pitches played. You want silence. The length of time you want the silence is notated with rests. Let us go through some. Here is a whole rest. A whole rest is placed below a staff line. Here is a half rest. The half rest is placed above a staff line. Here is the quarter rest. This is what a quarter rest looks like when it is engraved in printed music or in a notation program like Finale. This is hard to write by hand. So, to write it by hand, make a Z, then a C. Musicians will be able to read this handwritten quarter rest. Here is an eighth rest. It has a pseudo flag like an eighth note. The 16th rest has two flags like the 16th note. These rests relate to each other like the notes related to each other in the last video. So, here is a whole rest. So now there are two half rests in one whole rest. There are two quarter rests in one half rest. And four quarter rests make up one whole rest. There are two eighth rests in one quarter rest. 4 eighth rests in one half rest, 8 eighth rests in one whole rest. There are 2 16th rests in one eighth rest, 4 16th rests in one quarter rest, 8 16th rests in one half rest, and 16 16th rests in one whole rest. And here is what you have learned today. Keep practicing, and I will see you in the next video. If you liked the video, please hit like. If you would like to see more videos, please subscribe to my channel. You can also leave a comment or a question in the comment section below.